You. Yeah, you. The person currently watching this while you're supposed to be doing something else. I see you, and I'm about to let you in on a secret. We've all been sold the same lie. The lie that to be successful, you need giant, uninterrupted blocks of time. You need to sit down for a 3-hour deep work session or your day as a wash, right? Wrong. What if I told you that the most powerful productivity tool you have is hiding in plain sight? It's not a fancy app. It's not a $100 planner. It's the time you currently consider wasted. I'm talking about the dead minutes. Those weird, awkward pockets of time that feel too small for anything important. The 2 minutes waiting for the microwave to ding, the 5 minutes before a Zoom meeting starts, the 10 minutes you're stuck in a line, or waiting for the bus, or, let's be honest, waiting for the bathroom to be free.
We usually fill these moments by reflexively pulling out our phones and doom scrolling. We treat these minutes as worthless. But what if we started treating them like tiny, golden opportunities? What if wasted time became your secret weapon? Think of your brain like a kitchen. You've got big tasks, that's like roasting a whole chicken. You need the oven, you need a big tray, it's a whole production. But you also have tiny little tasks, the mental equivalent of chopping a single clove of garlic, or wiping down one counter, or putting away 3 clean forks. You wouldn't preheat your giant oven for 5 minutes just to warm up one meatball, right? That's a huge waste of energy. So why do we insist on sitting down at our big mental oven to do tiny 2-minute tasks? We keep a massive mental to-do list of these little things, and it weighs us down. It creates this background anxiety of, I still have to remember to do that. The secret is to match the task to the time slot. You don't roast a chicken in a toaster, so stop trying to use your deep work oven for tiny 5-minute jobs. Here's how you weaponize those dead minutes. Step 1. Become a time bandit. Carry a sniper list. This isn't your main to-do list. This is a separate small list of tasks that take less than 5 minutes to complete. I'm talking micro tasks. What's on a sniper list? Things like sending a quick "thanks for that" email, texting your partner to pick up milk, deleting 10 old photos from your phone, paying 1 bill online, adding a book to your want-to-read list, doing 5 squats. Your future self will thank you, and your coworkers will be mildly concerned. Quickly watering 1 plant. Unsubscribing from 1 annoying promotional email. See? Tiny, specific, and finishable. Step 2. Spot the gap. Now, just go about your day, but be on the lookout. The microwave is humming? Bam! Pull out the sniper list. Knock out 1 task. You've got 3 minutes before your coffee is ready? Bam! Sniper list. You're early for a meeting? Don't just stare into the void. Bam! Sniper list. It's not about being a productivity robot. It's about being efficient with the scraps of time you were going to throw away anyway. The magic isn't just in getting those little tasks done, though that feels amazing. The real magic is what it does for your brain. By consistently clearing these micro tasks, you're taking out the mental trash. You're freeing up RAM in your brain. That background hum of "I should really do that" starts to quiet down. You feel lighter, more in control. And when you do sit down for a big, focused work session, your mind is clearer because it's not being pinged by 1,000 tiny, unfinished things. It's the difference between trying to have a serious conversation in a quiet library versus trying to have one in a room where 20 different phones are all buzzing with notifications at once. You are essentially giving every tiny task its own VIP lounge so they stop crowding the main stage of your mind. So, the next time you find yourself with a spare minute, don't just default to the infinite scroll. Pause. Take a breath. Ask yourself, is there one tiny thing I can assassinate right now? You'll be shocked at how much wasted time you can reclaim. You'll be amazed at how this simple shift turns you from someone who is always behind on little things into someone who is stealthily, consistently ahead. That 2-minute microwave delay isn't dead time anymore. It's your secret weapon. Now go out there and be gloriously, efficiently productive in ridiculously small bursts.